Children, now we are in the last of this chapter, force and pressure. We have already studied about force, exploring force, effects of force, and type of force. Today, we will discuss in this class about pressure. Let us assume a wooden plank placed on the ground, and with our one thumb, if we push hard on the plank, then thumb does not go into the wood. But if we push a drawing pin into the wood with the same force, then drawing pin gets fixed into the wood. Why it happens? If we see that our thumb does not go into the wood because the force of thumb falls on a large area, while the drawing pin goes into the wood due to its sharp tip. In the first case, force per unit area. Thumb area is more than the tip area of the pin. So when we push the wooden plank with our thumb, means force per unit area is small, while in the second case, force per unit area is large. So the force acting on unit area is pressure. So pressure equal to force per unit area. Here pressure equal to force per unit area. And pressure, we have studied the unit of pressure is Newton. Newton, written as N, symbolically N, and area meter square. Meter square. So its SI unit is Newton per meter square or Pascal. Symbolically it is PA, Pascal. So we can say SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Now here see, if area is more, pressure will less. And if area is small, then pressure will be high. For example, it is easier to cut vegetable with a sharp knife than a blunt knife, because the pressure on a blunt knife will be, pressure due to blunt knife will be more. Our school bags given broader strips to reduce pressure. Here see the strips, it is broader. Reason is it will reduce the pressure over our shoulder. Now the pressure exerted by liquid and gases. Liquid also exerts pressure on the wall of container. Liquid exert pressure on the bottom of a container. It depends. See the here the pressure, liquid pressure depends on three things. One is gravitational acceleration G. About this we will learn in higher class. Density of the liquid. Second is density. And third is height. So if we see here, all are, see first these two here, it is up to this height in this container. In this container it is up to height this. So here height is more. So it's here the pressure will be higher. So see the balloon here, that's more here covering the more. So it exerts the pressure. Here less. Here see at the same height, liquid exerts equal pressure at the same height. If we take a water bottle and make some hole at the same height and pour the water, then we will find this water will fall at the equal distance. It is due to the property of liquid that exerts equal pressure at the same height. Now let us see the pressure exerted by a gas. See, we used to pump air in our cycle tube. The reason is the air exert pressure so that our cycle tire will move. Here inside air is filled, and this is here the tightened due to the, we can say it is the container pressure or the pressure of air on the wall of container. Now the atmospheric pressure exerted by atmosphere around us, that is atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is due to the weight of air. The weight of an air column of the height of the atmosphere and area 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So if we take here height 10 centimeter and this is 10 centimeter and go up to the, where up to the atmosphere, then what is the weight? And it is nearly its weight will be 1000 kg. Now see some here the question given. Briefly describe the walking of camel on the sand. State whether the liquid and gases also exerts pressure. Explain the inflation of tubes when the air is pumped into it. Fifth number is write the SI unit of pressure and why do not we do not feel atmospheric pressure on our body. Its reason is that inside pressure and outside pressure, inside the body and outside the body, the pressure is same. But if we go on the height of the mountain, our ear will pop up. Reason is, as we go on the a higher mountain, the pressure reduces outside the ear and inside is the more. So we will hear the pop sound. Let us do a question here. Let it be here a 200 Newton force. F equal to 200 Newton. 200 Newton is acting on area, and its area is, this area is 10 meter square. 10 meter square. Then what will be the pressure? Pressure will be force per unit area, that we write symbolically F by A. So its value will be 200 Newton by 10 meter square. So that is 20 Newton per meter square or 20 Pascal. Thank you. Do some more questions.